I'm not sure of the species of this wood, but that spalting looks great. So I'm going to get it put up on a wood screw, mount it, turn it. Woo! All right, I got this remounted. Looks a little soft, I caught a catch. We'll see how it goes. So you see me stop right here and bring the tailstock up. I should have had that up to begin with to provide that extra support and safety. And here I'm just shaping the bottom to prep it so I can put a tenon on here to flip the bowl around when I'm ready. So much for channeling my inner Phil Anderson. Yeah, once that big chunk flew off, everything was super loose, so it only took me like 2 minutes to knock the rest of that bark off. So I'm going to, now that there's no bark here, I'm gonna try to turn this a little bit higher up, kind of round off the base here, leave the top, this canoe shape. Try to round that off a little bit more up top too. So we'll see. I don't know if this one's going to make it. These cracks are all the way through. We'll see. Not loose. Well, let me throw some CA glue in there. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been back here to work on this probably a week and a half. Just haven't really been happy with it. It's kind of a blah piece, but I'm gonna finish this thing off. And what I'm gonna do is, it looks a little chunky through here still. So I'm just gonna take this down a bit, see where it ends up, get this thing sanded and finish it off. We'll see what how it looks when I'm done. Spinning about 750 RPM. My biggest concern through this part was how thin those sidewalls were getting. You see me stop and check it right there, and they were less than 1/8 of an inch. So I was really concerned with if the bowl would actually stay together as I was spinning it more. So off screen, I sanded this up to 320. Now I'm going to use Axe abrasive paste and Axe polishing wax to finish this thing off. So let's get this done. I want to thank Tom over at Axe for sending me out this wax and polishing kit. I have been using it for a long time before Tom provided me this, so I really enjoy this product. There you have it. Finished off this little bowl. I'm not gonna lie. Most of the way through this video, I was not happy with the way this was looking. But you know what? The spalting on here turned out wonderful. I like the colors. So that shows you just need to finish the product out. Finish the piece all the way through. No DNFs. Anyways, thanks for coming along. I appreciate it.